Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're taking a full tour of an incredible destination trailer that's built to feel more like a luxury home than a traditional RV. As always, you'll see the floor plan and specs on screen, but let's start with the basics. This RV measures just under 44 feet in length and has a dry weight of approximately 14,774 pounds. Cargo carrying capacity comes in at around 1,350 pounds, bringing the gross vehicle weight rating to 16,200 pounds. Right away, you can tell this is designed as a premium destination trailer. One of the first standout features is the fiberglass roof. Instead of a standard rubber or TPO roof, you're getting a fiberglass construction that adds durability and a more residential feel. Up front, you'll find dual propane tanks neatly housed in metal storage compartments. Above that is a large front window protected by a removable cover, helping keep the glass safe while traveling. The front design looks clean, upscale, and residential. Everything about this RV gives off a high-end appearance before you even step inside. Moving down the side, one of the biggest upgrades is the wall construction. This RV features 3-inch thick side walls, which are thicker than what you'll find on most campers. That helps with insulation, overall rigidity, and noise reduction. Another feature that immediately stands out is the dual entry door setup. Both entry doors measure approximately 38 inches wide, making them significantly larger than standard RV doors. The exterior finish is glossy, smooth, and extremely clean. Combined with Asdal sidewalls, the construction is built for long-term durability while maintaining an attractive appearance. Running nearly the full length of the RV are large power awnings. These provide excellent shade coverage outside and help create a comfortable outdoor living space. As we continue toward the rear, you'll notice the abundance of windows throughout the exterior. These are dual-pane windows, which help improve insulation while also reducing outside noise. Down below, this RV rides on a triple-axle setup. That extra axle helps distribute weight and provides greater stability on the road. Supporting the suspension system is Road Armor suspension technology, offering improved ride quality and helping absorb road vibration during travel. The tires and wheels are designed to handle the weight of this destination trailer while maintaining a solid and stable towing experience. Now let's head inside. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a beautiful kitchen space. The overall color palette feels warm and residential. The countertops feature a clean, solid surface design that looks modern and easy to maintain. Matching backsplash materials tie the entire kitchen together for a seamless appearance. A built-in dishwasher adds another residential touch, making extended stays much more convenient. The stainless steel sink features a spacious design paired with a high-rise faucet that makes everyday kitchen tasks easier. Cabinetry throughout the kitchen feels premium, with plenty of storage space for dishes, cookware, and household items. Below the sink area, you'll find access to the water manifold system, allowing individual water line management from one centralized location. Overhead cabinets provide even more storage while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. Moving into the dining area, you'll notice one of the slide-outs expanding the living space. The large windows allow natural light to flood the interior, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. The curtains add a residential touch while providing privacy whenever needed. At the center of the room is a huge island with seating for bar stools. This creates a perfect space for dining, meal prep, or entertaining guests. Across from the island is a residential-style refrigerator, offering plenty of refrigerated and freezer storage. Nearby, you'll also find a central vacuum system, making cleaning quick and convenient. Continuing into the cooking area, the layout feels symmetrical and highly functional. The stove sits in the center, with generous countertop space on both sides for meal preparation. Below the cooktop is a large oven, giving you the ability to cook just like you would at home. Above, you'll find a microwave conveniently positioned within easy reach. Multiple drawers surround the cooking area, providing organized storage for utensils, cookware, and kitchen essentials. Additional cabinets and pantry-style storage ensure plenty of room for longer stays. Now, let's move into the living room. Looking upward, you'll notice 2 air conditioners helping keep this large RV cool during warmer weather. The ceiling design adds character to the room while maintaining an open feel. A vent fan helps improve airflow and ventilation throughout the living area. The L-shaped sofa is one of the highlights of this space. It's comfortable, spacious, and can also convert into additional sleeping accommodations when needed. Large windows surround the living room, bringing in fantastic natural light and providing excellent outdoor views. Directly across from the seating area is a large television positioned perfectly for comfortable viewing. Below the TV is an electric fireplace that adds both warmth and visual appeal. The entertainment center ties everything together while also incorporating additional storage. Behind the television, you'll find hidden storage compartments, offering a clever place to store various items while keeping the room organized. Adjacent to the living room is the pantry area. This pantry uses pull-out drawers that make accessing stored items much easier. The design maximizes storage while keeping everything organized and within reach. Now, let's head toward the rear section. The bathroom begins with a wide entry door that makes the space feel open and accessible. Inside, you'll find a washer and dryer setup conveniently located for extended stays. The vanity offers a residential appearance with plenty of countertop space. A large sink and matching mirror create a comfortable daily use area. The shower is absolutely massive, offering impressive height and room to move around comfortably. The toilet is positioned with plenty of surrounding space, helping the bathroom feel less cramped than many RV bathrooms. Storage cabinets throughout the room provide space for toiletries, towels, and personal belongings. One of the biggest advantages here is the amount of open floor space, making the bathroom feel more like a residential home than an RV. Moving into the master bedroom, you'll immediately notice the spacious layout. At the center is a king-size bed paired with a thick residential-style mattress. The headboard adds an upscale look while complementing the overall interior design. A third air conditioner is dedicated to the bedroom area, helping maintain comfort throughout the night. Storage is available throughout the room, including overhead compartments and additional cabinetry. Large wardrobe space provides room for clothing and longer-term living necessities. USB charging outlets are conveniently located throughout the bedroom for phones and other devices. Lifting the bed reveals a generous underbed storage compartment. An important feature here is the moisture prevention system beneath the mattress platform. This design allows airflow underneath the mattress, helping reduce moisture buildup and improving long-term durability. Continuing around the bedroom, you'll find another electric fireplace, adding warmth and comfort. Nearby is access to the water manifold system for easy maintenance and control. The bedroom includes multiple closets, providing extensive storage options for clothing and personal belongings. Additional shelving helps keep smaller items organized. Several drawers offer even more storage capacity. Across from the bed is a large bedroom television, creating a comfortable entertainment setup for relaxing at the end of the day. That wraps up the main interior tour. Near the bedroom entrance, you'll find the central control panel area. This includes the remote control for the air conditioning system. Awning controls are located here as well. Now, let's head back outside for a final walk-around. The average sales price on this RV is approximately $117,000. Considering the residential design, premium construction, triple-axle setup, and luxury interior features, it certainly positions itself in the high-end destination trailer category. Moving over to the utility side, you'll find the 50-amp electrical connection. Manual stabilizers help keep the RV secure once parked. The slide mechanisms are mounted below and designed for dependable operation. There's also a small exterior storage compartment for additional gear and utility items. At the tank and sewer area, you'll find the black and gray tank valves. The tanks are heated to help support cold weather use. Combined with the enclosed underbelly, this contributes to the RV's four-season capability. A dedicated sewer hose storage compartment keeps everything organized and easy to access. Finally, at the rear utility area, you'll find the water connections. A built-in water filtration system helps improve water quality. Tank heater controls are also located here for cold weather operation. Overall, this destination trailer delivers an impressive combination of residential comfort, premium construction, and luxury features. From the spacious living area and massive kitchen island to the king bedroom, huge bathroom, and four-season capability, it's designed for those looking to enjoy long-term RV living in comfort. Thanks for joining us here on RVenture Life. Let us know what you think of this RV, and we'll see you in the next tour.